Aloha and welcome to this module on application design. And I'm super excited about this module. This is where you're kind of going to spread your wings and fly in software engineering. And the goal of this module is to get you started applying Meteor to a web application or just a software system. Let's put it more generally than that, that attempts to solve a real world problem. And to help you get started, we could really spend the entire rest of the semester having you generate requirements and do feasibility studies and so forth. But so that you can delve into the coding, basically immediately, what I've done is given you examples of projects that I know from my prior experience are going to be decent projects that solve an interesting problem for the Manoa community. And I've also provided a link here to some projects that you guys came up with last week that I think have some legs that that with a little bit of development could really be good project ideas for you as well. So what I want you to do this week is work by yourself to create a mock-up of a final project. And you can pick any of these that you want. You can coordinate with people in your team to all work on the same project if you want, or you don't have to. It doesn't really matter so much to me this semester or this week, because maybe you guys don't really know which one you want to work on, and so you pick different ones and then you kind of decide based upon which mock-up you like the best, which one you want to go for. And also, design elements from a mock-up for one project can apply really easily and straightforwardly to another one. So what I really want you to be able to do, more than kind of pick the project this week that you're going to devote your life to, is just pick a project that looks interesting and get experience rapidly building a mock-up of pages. That's essentially digits 1 and digits 2, because that's what kind of helps get the ball rolling, with respect to hackathons or any other kind of situation you find yourself in, where you can sit down for a long weekend and emerge with a mock-up that gives people a sense for what the pages in an application would look like. And maybe implementing the behaviors of those pages, that can take weeks or months, can be very complicated. But that initial idea of kind of what would pages look like if you can develop your Meteor chops and your IntelliJ chops and your ESLint chops and your GitHub chops, you get all those, and your JavaScript chops, you get all those chops together so that you can build mock-up pages quickly, you're going to find that that's an invaluable skill, and you can apply it to all sorts of different situations. So that's what I want you to start doing this week. You get 1 week to do it. Hit the ground running, build your mock-up. We'll take a couple looks at it this coming week and provide some feedback. Really excited to see what you guys come up with. And I think you'll find that the class is gonna start getting more and more interesting to you, because now you're going to be confronting real world software engineering issues. So good luck, have a good time.